Welcome back. It is time for business news. Now we go on over to a very dreamy Mike Eppel. I say that because your lens is a little bit soft today. We tried to give it a little clean, but it's very Dreamweaver-esque. I like it.
Well, I think it's from the '60s Star Trek episodes where they used to actually. It is. Look at that.
See?
What is going on here?
That's okay. We'll roll with it.
They used to put Vaseline on the camera to kind of give a weird soft hue on the shot. Maybe that's the deal. Well, look, it's early, so why do you need harsh Eppel this early? You don't need that.
We'll
Nobody
soften it up. We'll
that.
soften it up, Mike. There you go.
What's going on?
There you go. I know what's going on.
It's kind of warm in here. Maybe it's just.
Are you okay today? Are you all right? What's happening? Okay, let's get right to what you are watching today, Mike. Price for oil. Where are we going?
Down this morning, and quite dramatically so, Melanie. The U.S. is talking about a release from the Strategic Petroleum Reserve of up to 1 million barrels a day over 180 days. This would be a massive move in the market if they follow through on this. They've tried this on a couple of occasions with the energy prices of late, of course, going up and inflation going through the roof. So the Biden administration, with the U.S. president at 40% approval rate and everybody grumbling about inflation, well, they're trying to get that price for oil down and offset what the market forces are showing. So that pretty dramatic drop that we're seeing right now ahead of this, 6% slide for oil and pre-market trading at least. The price for gas is expected to go up here in the GTA tomorrow by 3 cents per liter. Came down a penny at midnight this morning. But remember, the carbon tax takes effect tomorrow. So it's going to be going up a little bit with that. It's going to be interesting to see exactly how this plays out here over the next several days, because it's been, for the most part, the trajectory for gasoline prices have been coming down a little bit, and could see more pump price relief going maybe after the weekend.
Okay, we'll watch that. What is not going down, I swear, not a week goes by that my husband doesn't remind me. He was looking, hey, should we look into maybe like a cottage? Like, this is pre-pandemic, okay? We didn't, clearly. And now we kick ourselves because you know what's happening.
Shoulda, woulda, coulda. Yeah, well, look, last year everybody was going, I can work anywhere. I'm case in point. I've been working out of the home office for 2 years now. And that trend is not going to slow down. And as a result, people are still looking for cottage properties, as long as they've got good Wi-Fi capabilities, of course. And the forecast from Royal LePage for this cottage season for recreational sales, prices expected to go up another 13%, jumped 21% last year. Look, everything in the real estate market went up big time in 2021 and expected to continue this year. Interest rates are not as big of a factor for cottage country real estate, Melanie. A lot of people are using their home equity lines of credit in their main properties to afford things up north or in the Kawarthas or what have you. And the other thing, too, is no one's building more waterfront. So,
yeah, that's true.
Right? So it's kind of tough to find available things. I think the number of listings dropped something like 80% or some ridiculously big decline, and that just sends prices that much higher.
No doubt. Okay, finally, we've got about 30 seconds left with you. We teased it. Should they rename it Dollarama or what?
$5
Yeah, $5 Rama.
Yeah. Well, it says on the logo a dollar plus.
In little.
Right.
Yeah.
But Dollarama's, they're saying, look, transportation costs have gone up, raw material prices, plastics, everything. All these things have gone up, and they have to import a lot of products at Dollarama. So their peak price is going to be $5. It was previously $4. And yeah, it's just inflation building through. I mean, you go to Dollarama, and some things you kind of go, it probably should be maybe a little bit more expensive. I don't want it to be that cheap. But anyway, Dollarama is, $220 million in profit in this latest quarter, and they're opening 60 or 70 new stores over the next year's time. So expansion plans in place there, too.
Still some deals to be had, Mike. I love Dollarama.
I know. It's kind of
up and down those aisles.
And you walk out with a bag of stuff.
That's it. Things you don't need, but you do need. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
All right. Have yourself a good day.
See ya.
Bye.